everyone. Welcome to Caldera Creative Creations. My name is Roxana, and today we are working on another mental health awareness group. So that's it. Let's get started. I'm happy to be here with you all. Okay, we are working on a styrofoam wreath. We got some beautiful lavenders and some pretty little white flowers. Look at those. We also got a piece of ribbon. We got some stick pins, which we got some bows, which I made with my bow Dabra. Try it. Okay, and I made this little sign, and I just stuck some wiring in the back and glued it. Okay, let's move these to the side and let's get started. Yes, indeed. First things first, I got some stick pins, and I just pinned it in here like this. Then I went like that. Watch. Oh, voila, look. You get in there. There we go, look at that. Wow. Then I did another one. We're going to take this lovely right. Let me see, right about here. There we go. A little bit over here, I think. There, how beautiful. Okay, now we are going to put our sign on. Very easy, look. Take it around here and got that going right here. Look at that. Hey, then we're going to start with our florals. We're just going to work ourselves around, get these in there. So, that. Get some more going right here. Wow. Let's get some white in there. Balance the colors out. Ooh. Look at that, everybody. Get another one and just put it right there. Get some more lavender going in here. Wow, look at how beautiful. Gonna push some out so it can mix together. How's that looking, everybody? Wow. Okay, now we're gonna go on the bottom. Kind of twist some this way. So there. Then we're gonna get more lavender. Get this in here. I like that sound. Then we're gonna get more. Put some more down here. Ooh. Yes, indeed. May is Mental Health Awareness Month. So, making a wreath. Together like this, and just gonna wrap it around like that. Look, to make a little ribbon. Hey, and then we're gonna just pin this beauty up in here. That uh-oh, a little too much. Let me see, where can I put this? Where did I have it? You make a wreath, not all wreaths come out the same. Then we got it like that. Then I think we got it, everybody. got it. Okay, let me pin this up for everybody to see. Ooh. There we go. Let me fix the camera for everybody. Ooh, look at that, look at that. Wow. How beautiful. Once again, thanks for coming to my channel. I enjoy being here with you guys. If you got some ideas or inspiration or just enjoy my videos, consider pressing the subscribe button and you'll be notified of my upcoming videos, and you'll also be helping my channel grow, which you are. With that, much thanks. Until the next one, we got summer wreaths going on, everybody. Let's just have a wonderful day. Until the next video, see you all. Woo! How lovely. And thanks for watching.